right. Hope you had a good weekend, everybody. And Josh is here to remind us that when it comes to our temperatures, even the rain, sunshine this time of year, it's like being at the playground. It's that seesaw.
Yeah, and I would also have to say, if you don't like the weather, maybe just wait an hour or two.
Right.
And it'll be completely different for us. That's going to be the scenario, really moving our way through the final few hours of March. Tomorrow, the final day. And as we enter April, some big weather pattern shakeups for us. But the waterfront cherry blossoms definitely starting to fade. If you've yet to see them so far this season, yeah, go ahead. Head down to Tom McCall Waterfront Park to maybe catch a quick little glimpse before all of the petals come down. You can see them there already starting to do just that yesterday evening as we trade out the pop of pink and white for the nice shade of green here over the next several weeks. And that's really going to be the case for much of the Pacific Northwest foliage as we prepare for the warmer spring season to really start to ramp up. And with that ramping up of the growth, well, so too does our pollen count, returning to the high level for us on Wednesday as gusty winds are expected to mix up our atmosphere, sending all of that pollen flying, but then heavy soaking rains, bringing all of that pollen back down to the surface. So we'll be falling back to the moderate category as Thursday and Friday approaches, as our temperatures are very spring-like out there right now. Calm, quiet, clear skies from the coast to the Cascades as our temperatures flirt with 60 degrees. And you'll notice earlier today, Vancouver actually touching the 60-degree mark, just a degree warmer than what our average here in the Rose City is of 59 degrees. And many of us now falling back into the upper 50s. Still very comfortable out there, but as the sun sits lower in the sky, those temperatures, they will be falling once more. An increase in the cloud coverage is slowly starting to track its way further to the north. If anything, a lot of the moisture you're seeing being picked up on from Lane to Linn County, not expected to come to fruition and not expected to move its way back into the I-5 corridor as we prepare for the stronger storm to start to develop out over the Pacific. That's going to be shaking things up and in turn giving us winter storm watches that are in effect for the Cascades of Oregon. We're talking about 10 to 18 inches of snow starting Tuesday night, carrying us through Thursday afternoon, mixed in with some gusty winds of about 35 miles per hour. So mountain pass travel going to be tricky as we move our way into the middle of the week. But unfortunately, with the snow and the winter weather alerts, not expected to shrink that 8-foot deficit that we hold on to for much of the Mount Hood area. But at this point in the season, we will take any moisture Mother Nature throws our way. As our base layer continues to shrink with the above average temperatures still anticipated, we are quickly going to warm things up come Saturday, Sunday, going off the chart there as the melting really gets underway. So what we will see fall over the next 72 hours or so, 6 to 12 inches for Mount Hood, nearly 2 feet for Mount Bachelor. Likely gone really fast across our area as we prepare for that warming trend. You can see it play out as followed. That low pressure system, the culprit for the wet, windy weather we will experience come Wednesday into Thursday, expected to be in and out of here quite rapidly as this ridge of high pressure begins to build and warms and dries things out just in time for the holiday weekend. So overall, our futurecast does show that mostly cloudy skies will return to the mix tomorrow. Maybe a stray raindrop or two as the widespread accumulative soaking rain gets underway on Wednesday. That does include the mountain snow above about 3,500 feet as our forecasted rainfall totals from Wednesday through Thursday night, nearing about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch. Now for tonight, we fall back into the upper 30s, afternoon highs tomorrow into the upper 50s, more clouds in the mix, and that will help to bring those temperatures down ever so slightly. But the early morning hours, the evening, definitely going to have a bit of a bite to the air as we continue that cooling trend into Wednesday and Thursday, the wettest days this week. Good Friday brings back the sunshine, and for Easter Sunday, we're talking about highs in the low 70s with sunshine.
Ooh, okay.
So the Easter egg hunts will be dry this year.
Nice.
Yeah, something to look forward to.
Thanks, Josh.
We'll be right back.